Can I perform the repair solo, or do I need assistance? Assess the scope and physical demands before you start, and then plan for the correct tools, materials, and safety steps so you can decide whether to proceed alone. Start by measuring the work area and calculating quantities of materials using simple arithmetic and rounding up by 10% to allow for waste. For tasks that require lifting or holding heavy or awkward items in place while fastening them, use mechanical aids such as a sawhorse, jack, or temporary bracing to substitute for a second pair of hands. When compacting loose fill or adhesive beds, use a hand tamper or a small plate compactor depending on the surface. Compact incrementally and check level frequently with a spirit level. Protect yourself with gloves, eye protection, and dust masks, and isolate the workspace to prevent trips and interruptions which increase risk when working alone. If a step includes cutting or scoring brittle material, make a shallow pass first to control the break and reduce the chance of kickback. Always leave your phone or a two-way radio in a reachable pocket and tell someone your plan and expected finish time so help can be summoned if needed. 3 common concerns are underestimating the need for an extra set of hands when aligning and fastening large components, leading to misfits and frustration. Mitigate this by using clamps, braces, or temporary fasteners to hold parts while you work alone. A second issue is inadequate compaction or adhesive coverage that causes settling or failures later. Prevent that by compacting in thin lifts and applying full bed coverage with a notch trowel or controlled screed technique and testing sections before finishing. A third problem is working without an agreed safety plan, which increases injury risk if something shifts or breaks. Reduce that risk by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, setting up stable working platforms, and keeping a clear escape path. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers practical project discussions we can use to ask questions and share step-by-step tips based on real experiences. We help contractors find work and homeowners find local professionals while hosting a community discussion area where peers and pros exchange advice.